My dialect says, "Ekenedike na komere omozo." What that simply means is this: when you greet somebody for what he does or what he did for you, that person will definitely do more or do greater ones for you also. So this is me coming out here to appreciate you guys, to do a shout out on all you that showed me love in my last video upload. So I want to say a very big thank you. So this is my way of saying a shout out to all my lovely family members that watched my last video. That is, before you quit, think about shit, not like that. I'm going to link it here. So I want to say a very big thank you to everybody. So this is my own little way of saying thank you for watching my video, for engaging on my video, for commenting, for liking. I see you all. Thank you so much. And to those who are still going to come and like, come and watch, come and comment, I'm still going to do a part 2 of this video. So I just felt the need to do this to thank you. And I also want to use this medium to thank everyone that was on my monetization party yesterday. I really appreciate you all. You guys are amazing. Thank you for coming out to support me. Thank you for the love. I can't, in fact, I do not take it for granted. Seriously, please ignore the background noise. Thank you so much. So the first person on my list is have Shelly Innovative Hands. Sis, I love you. You're amazing. Thank you so much. And in fact, I don't know how to thank you, but God bless you. Thank you for coming to watch my video. Another person is Pretty Vibes. Pretty Vibes, you are a darling. In fact, thank you so much. I have AD Ibe Joyce. Yes, AD Ibe Joyce 6340. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I have Glory Eyin Naya. You are a darling. Thank you for watching my videos. I have CAYS Foodies. Thank you so much for watching. I have Hey Foodies too. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I have Wisdom World channel. You are a blessing. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for the nice comments. I really appreciate. I have Aja Majority TV. I have Miss Pride Creation. Thank you so much for watching. I have Evan Meniman Andrew 6091. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I have God First channel. God bless you. You're amazing. I'm going to link on these people in the descriptions below, please, guys. I have Donya Space. That's my sister, all the way from Nigeria. You're a darling. I have Donya Space. Thank you so much, my darling. I have Patience Ezimozo Duru. Big sis, thank you. I really appreciate you. I have La French Zone TV. Thank you so much. I have Temiti of Life. Hey, my number 1 G for life. Thank you so much for watching. Baby, please, could you leave my hair? Could you leave my hair, please? Let's make this video. Thank you. I have Guardians Nyabeta. Please, if I didn't pronounce your name well, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Okay, thank you so much. I have Canary Cane. I have Canary Cane. Guys, please forgive me. My baby's on my back. Sorry. I have Canary Cane. You are a darling. Thank you for always supporting. Oh, yeah, sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, yeah, take. Good boy. It's all right. Yeah, take. I have Canary Cane. Thank you so much for watching. I have Lucid Logic. Thank you, my darling. I have Kitchen Documentary. In short, KD. Okay? KD, my darling. Thank you for the support. I do not take it for granted. I have Always Lifestyle. Thank you, my darling. I have G2 Country Girl, my love. She's always on my live stream. She's always watching my videos. She's always commenting. In fact, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you, my darling. Thank you. I just saw them. I just saw the email. I was like, God. Do you know how many times I'll check that in this board? I say, God, because you do. So, and my friend, calm down. Calm down. Always lifestyle. God bless you. Thank you for coming to my live stream. Thank you for watching my video. Sorry, I used to say in my live stream. So another person is Green Health Arena, my darling. Big kiss for you. Thank you for coming. We have Bidu Yadoroma. Sorry, please forgive me. Bidu Yadoroma. Thank you for watching my video. My God, I'm used to this my life thing. Thank you so much. The OKIMO'S family, you are a blessing. Thank you so much for watching my video. Ozioma Patience. Ozioma Patience, thank you so much, my darling. I really appreciate. I have Tara Overe. Thank you, dear. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos. I have Ivan Oni, my love. Thank you for coming to grace my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I have Cutie Leo the mom. Hey, thank you so much. All the way from South Africa. Thank you. Baby, what is it? Naituki. Papa is a blessed child of God. Say it again. Papa is a blessed child of God. Again, again. My baby is blessed child of God. My baby is a blessed child of God. Hooray! Good boy. I have a Nulubinit 500. 506. Thank you for watching. I have my mathematician, Math 01N. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I have Susan Olayiwola, the guru. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate. I have Lisa God's style. Thank you, darling. I really appreciate. I'm so grateful. Thank you for you coming around. Guys, please don't skip my ads. I'm begging the name of God. Don't skip my ads. Please don't skip it. Please watch it. Enjoy it. Love it. I have Ruka C. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm going to link all this in the description side. Please kindly go and connect with them. They are amazing people. I have Favors Concepts, my darling, the only sweetheart I have. See now, when you go to our channel, you will see beauty. When I say beauty, you're going to see beauty. Then last but not the least, because there's going to be a part 2 and more people are still going to come out with this video, I have John Gift C. Thank you, darling, for commenting on my video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate all of you. So we've come to the end of the shout outs. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for always engaging and supporting this girl. I do not take it for granted. So God bless you all. This is where we draw the curtain. Please, if you've watched to this moment and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Don't you like this beauty? Don't you like this face? Or is it that you don't like it here? Please subscribe, please like, please comment, please share. Let this video get to others. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on my next one. I'm still going to have a part 2 on my next one. Then please, this is me saying, if you want a shout out, please kindly comment in my comment section in any of my videos. In fact, in my recent videos or any of my videos, I'm going to give you a shout out. I actually started this from my last upload, and God bless you all. And this is also me telling you guys that I'm going to have a new upload by 12 p.m. today. Please do well to watch it. This should be going up by 8 p.m. in the night. So thank you so much for watching. And I'm talking too much already. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Bye.